एक ऐसा परिस्थिति आ गया है हमारे राज्य में कि हम हमारे राज्य में ही प्रोटेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, हमारे राइट्स के लिए हम अपने राज्य में ही आवाज नहीं उठा सकते, ऐसा परिस्थिति आ गया हमारे राज्य में। Shame! It's a shame. Shame on Tripura government and also shame on the Indian government to neglect this issue. I would also like to say आज 21st Jan, today is the statehood day of Tripura. I hope you all know that आज 3 states मणिपुर, मेघालय और त्रिपुरा को आज राज्य घोषित किया गया था। And since then, statehood मिलने के बाद, I see that I'm a second class citizen in my own state. Like my language, my culture, I see nowhere. अगर आप आज अगरतला जाएं, जो त्रिपुरा का कैपिटल है, you will find it like you are not in Northeast. It's more like, I don't want to say, but yeah, like a Bengal. It's not against that we are against a community या कुछ जातिवाद के आधार पे है, but जो right है वो right है, और we are the indigenous people of our land, Tripura, and we want to be in the first place कि हमें हमारा rights मिले, और जो बाहर से लोग आए हैं उन लोगों को हम हमारे राज्य से जाने के लिए मौका दें।
Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi to look after this issue very seriously and to stop this thing.
By saying this, I'd like to conclude my speech
Attacked.
about the citizenship amendment bill and the